Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday and I will be working on some new bookmarks and greeting cards. So I already have the designs ready, so I'll show you all the designs. And now I'll just need to fit them to look good on a bookmark. And for the greeting cards, I just need to add text, happy birthday, and you are excellent. So let me show you the designs and then I will show you how they will look like as a finished product, and then I will print them out. For the bookmarks, I will use this floral pattern that I did, the strawberry design, and the leaves. And for the greeting cards, I will make two new designs. So happy birthday with this little raccoon holding flowers, and the eggs, and it will say you are excellent. I'll maybe remove one egg so I can fit in the text, or I will make it small panda. Or I will make it smaller and fit the text on the bottom or on the top. So yeah. So I'll first work on the bookmarks and then on the greeting cards. For the bookmarks, this is the canvas size that I use, so 5 with 16 centimeters. I just imported the strawberry pattern and now I'm gonna duplicate it and see if it's fine like that, or I will make it a bit bigger. I'll see what I like better. Okay, I like it like this, but I will do it again in Affinity Designer because I don't want to lose any quality. Alright, everything is ready for printing, so I set up the bookmarks on an A4 page and the greeting cards I added the back, but I forgot to take the tools with me for bending the greeting cards, so I will do that at home. And now I will first I will print out the greeting cards and then the bookmarks because I have to laminate them, so yeah.
with a Joy-Con controller. Stretch it out together when you invite friends to your island or when visiting someone else's island.
Ooh. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please give it a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe so don't miss more videos from me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.